Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is correcting, and the question is this correction will continue, or we already have seen the dip and just waiting for the bounce? So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news every day, technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for entertainment and education purposes only. And guys, I'm sharing our favorite chart, but before that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and smash those like and push the bell notification all. We sometimes we have some time sensitive information, so it's definitely important to be to get all the notifications that we are sharing. So as you see, the bubble charts looks much better than yesterday, because yesterday almost every coin was in red, just art was in green, but there was a huge bump. But today we see Cardano up 26%, Sierra announced the partnership and uh, will be in the news, up to 27%, KuCoin shares 13, Gala Games up 122%. Also Avalanche, Sand, Curve is doing well. So good to see that few altcoins are pumping. Even Bitcoin is consolidating further. So the good news that Bitcoin hasn't dropped below 58,000 US dollar levels, and also Ethereum holding strongly as well as Binance Coin, but they are just consolidating and waiting to get the sign which direction to continue. Until then, altcoins are pumping. And guys, we already talked about that Metaverse coins, gaming coins, DeFi coins are fueling the market in this cycle, but especially also we need some direction from Bitcoin and the major uh, layer 1 and layer 2 coins. So let's check our favorite indicator. As you remember, yesterday the greed was still high at 71, and it was quite interesting that the price falling, but the index is not. So I should state that the index went into the neutral zone. It's sitting at 52 right now, and this is how some investors got fearful, but not too many. So that is, it is in the neutral zone. And as you remember, during almost the entire summer and in September, the index went to as low as 10 and 20 in the extreme fear zone, and that was a good buying opportunity. And now we are stabilizing around these greed and neutral zones. So let's go to our first news and let's see what Bitcoin toys with 60,000 US dollar as crucial price support level sees multiply retest. Okay, so the dip was 58,400, and you see we had several dips in this region: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 candles. This is a hourly chart. So 6 hourly candle started to push this below the resistance level, but bears just failed with it for now. The real BTC bear market is still months away, according to Rect Capital, and also Pantoshi is sharing this on Twitter that we are at or around the bottom for BTC, and these past few weeks have been a great opportunity to accumulate via alts. In 2017, there was 6 corrections of greater than 20, 30%. this is the first of these bull run. Institutions are here and may more and coming 60K plus. So you see it was the bull run, and we seen several 20, 30, and even 40% pullbacks in during this bull cycle, and this is what Pentoshi expect. And now this is just the first pullback. He is stating this is a 3-day chart that he is using, also 3-day chart from 2017 and a 3-day chart from now, and this is a higher high and a higher low in this bull cycle. Okay, and almost 32% down. So let's get back to the news. Okay, so what else? Tech dev, okay, RSI trendline is lost during this week downturn. A price target of 80 to 90,000 US dollar remains possible by the end of November, he added. Tesla gains as altcoins stay flat. Yes, Ethereum was flat at around 4,200 levels. Others, yeah. So that was also some losses here. And I don't know why we do have Tesla shares here, but maybe because Tesla owns some Bitcoin, and then this is why they are also reviewing Tesla. Yeah. Okay, so let's go and check our next news. Also, you see this on the sideline that blockchain unicorn CONSENSYS, one of the biggest Ethereum developer and advisory firm, valued at 3.2 billion US dollar following 200 million US dollar round. So next piece of news is Bitcoin is gearing up for rally to 90,000 US dollar as it hovers around its all-time high. The Bitcoin technical charts suggest that BTC is heading to 90,000 levels, but might witness a shake-off before that. The recent Taproot upgrade to Bitcoin blockchain can fuel further rally. So guys, definitely come and check out our YouTube channel, because you find a video the day before, from day before, Taproot upgrade successful. Definitely check out this video about Taproot upgrade successful, and also check out the Polkadot Parachain staking. These are a must to watch videos, because relevant information are packed in. Okay, Bitcoin sentiment stays bullish, further BTC rally ahead. We remain bullish on high time frames and continue to expect the price to rally up to the 85,000 to 90,000 US dollar region in the coming weeks, which aligns with the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. And this is from Decentrader. And he noted, when we compare this cycle from the most recent halving date to previous cycles, we can see that so far we have not experienced a final parabolic run-up. Yeah, comparing Taproot to Segwit. So many analysts compared that after Segwit, the Bitcoin rallied 5 times. And what will cause if Taproot will be priced in, because it seems to be that it's not priced in yet. Let's go to our next news. Workire will launch on-chain DeFi fund next week. So we know that Workire is one of the ETF provider out there that got the license for the future ETF, and one of the biggest cryptocurrency asset managers has announced it will launch a so-called on-chain DeFi fund next week. This new fund would be substantially different than other similar offerings due to the location of the assets that will be available to earn yield in several protocols. 100 million has already been put up for this initiative. So guys, mainly institutional investors and big money banks are investing in these kind of funds, and they have the intention definitely out there to invest in DeFi and work higher providing this. This allows us to participate in the upside while also gaining additional yield from lending, liquidity pools, farming, and staking in the DeFi ecosystem. So guys, these all also you can do it. So the best thing in crypto that you can do, and you can invest in the same assets, you can farm in the same pool as the billionaires. So definitely this is one of the biggest advantage. We get the appreciation plus compounded yield generated from on-chain DeFi participation. Exotic chips and stablecoins, we see a lot of opportunities on blockchains including Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Matic, and Phantom. Yes, at least CorionX is built on Ethereum, and also we have a bridge to Binance Smart Chain. Tough, even when in stablecoins, they are always deployed on chain to generate yield. So when they will be in stablecoins, then also they will generate yields. So, and yeah, let's go forward. Coinbase CFO says crypto exchange has invested over 180 million US dollar in digital assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is not a small amount. And let's quote, in the big picture, our goal is to become a vast majority, if not 100% crypto over time. We have made two commitments. The first was to invest 500 million US dollar of our cash and cash equivalent into crypto. And second, we are allocating 10% of quarterly net income into crypto investments. We have invested upwards of 180 million year to date as measured as cost. So this is definitely huge. And they hold, I think, a bunch of Ethereum, and also they really like Ethereum-based tokens, and good to see their movement. Let's go to our next news. Crypto.com buys naming rights to Lakers Staples Center in a 700 million US dollar deal. The Staples Centers will be renamed for Crypto.com next month in a 700 million US dollar deal for naming rights to the home arena of the Los Angeles Lakers. And the change will take effect on Christmas days as the Lakers host the Brooklyn Nets in the National Basketball. So this is how, yes, Crypto.com with one of the NBA's top brands offering crucial brand awareness as the cryptocurrency platform positions itself to capture market share in the growing digital currency space. So Staples Center will be called Crypto.com Stadium or something like that. And this is definitely good for the industry because many folks out there like sports, and then we see crypto, okay, Crypto.com, but it's also a good advertisement for crypto and spreading crypto adoption. So congratulations to Crypto.com. The next similar sponsorship, New York Dig partners with Houston Rockets basketball franchise, plans to pay team in BTC. Okay, so we hear more and more news that these basketball teams, these other teams, these these rocket basket teams that will be paid in Bitcoin. So this is definitely huge, also spreading crypto adoption. And we see athletes just promoting crypto. And let's go to our major news today, that Metaverse. We got so many Metaverse news that, guys, insane. And that is why Gala Games, and other coins pumping further, and also Sand did a nice rally yesterday. Metaverse cryptos flip market crash. Mana, Sand, Seek VR booms. Yes. Okay, Metaverse seem to be unstoppable. Top 10 gainers among Metaverse tokens in the last 30 days. Seek, Block, Pog, Cube, Star, Mana, Epic, Sand, Senso, and Boson. So guys, these are huge gains. So these are the coins that I would definitely aping in, but I would wait just a kind of recap or consolidation to buying in, not to buy the FOMO at the top. So Elliot Trades, one of our good friends, we are literally about to be living inside our computers. Short-term price action is just noise. The destination is clear. So we will live in these metaverses. So definitely good news. And let's see other metaverse related news. When it comes to metaverse, it really comes down to learning here is why, and Mark Zuckerberg, and also Morgan Stanley, and you see Axie, Mana, and Sand. All these metaverses are increasing. I think because the idea can be quite abstract, it really comes down to learning. So learning Web3 and also building metaverse ecosystems. Our next piece of news is KuCoin Labs launches 100 million VC fund to empower early stage metaverse projects. So guys, this is about early stage metaverse project, and KuCoin Metaverse Fund will investing in these kind of blockchain, metaverse, gaming, NFT, cryptos, the next migration destiny to mankind. Let's go to our next. Yes, metaverse is everywhere. The future of properties in the metaverse. Facebook rebranded to Meta. You already know it. That was the news. And almost 1 million US dollar being the highest price paid for a virtual plot of land. And Loot LFT and Lootverse, Loot NFT, Lootverse. So this is something amazing. I will look into this Loot NFT for sure. Okay, guys. So Loot NFT. CoinMarketCap shares top 20 most viewed metaverse projects last week, and Radio Kaka came first while Decentraland took the second most viewed spot. Other on the list are CQR, X Infinity, Affinity Token, VAX. So why don't we see sand on this chart? But let's make this bigger and let's check this. Okay, sand is here, maybe the fifth or the second. Yeah, I think all these coins, Polka City, all these coins, these are all must to have coins if we are thinking in investing in the future of metaverse. Let's go to our next news. Metaverse, the next big thing after mobile internet. Mark Zuckerberg announced the name change of Facebook to Meta. Some of the largest and most innovative tech companies in the world already saw that the metaverse was the next big thing coming. Yes, pizza box and everything that in the virtual world you will use, consume, and that's huge. Okay, so that's it for today. I will bring up this news. This news later. So let's go and check the price. But before that, just you find our Telegram link in the description. So come and join our Telegram. You see several nice posts here. Token contract on BSC, and some blog posts about the NFT sectors and about stablecoin things, and some about the Binance Smart Chain network, the farms on Binance Smart Chain, and also somebody asked for the bridge from the ERC20 CorionX to the BEP20 and back and forth. So come and also you can use our bridge, but put some attention on the high gas fees. So use the bridge when the gas price is lower. So let's go and check what do we see on Yeah, so this is the markets. So we had a nice day today, but CoinGecko is not loading in. Yes, so we had nice trading today, all across all exchanges, Uniswap, Bbox. So nice volume. So good to see that something is brewing, not just behind the skins, but also few investors came today into our metaverse. And let's check Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? This is the 4-hourly chart. And we see that I made this prediction yesterday and Bitcoin started to move up. So it seems that bounced on this Fibonacci extension at 58,200. And if so, then we can target this resistance, this trend line. This is our resistance now, this trend line. So we'll see if this trend line will be a resistance for now or just a temporary pullback. So definitely I will watch out these levels. Below these levels, I would short about this, let's say 61,000. I would long at least to this resistance zone. So this is how I would trade it. And also we are working on with one of our partners to provide premium technical analysis for you guys. Premium technical analysis for you. But it will take some time. Hopefully next year we can launch this. So Bitcoin is at right now at 60,000. Bitcoin dominance is getting stronger a little bit. So it sidewaved, but now started to go up. It's quite strange because altcoins doing well almost. And yeah, so we see Avalanche did a nice rally, and also Avalanche made a new all-time high. So that was a nice rally from Avalanche. As you see, it went up almost 28%. So congratulations if you are holding Avalanche. And I think Avalanche will continue in these channels. Maybe next time I will throw up Fibonacci extension. Let's see BTC shorts. Oh, but BTC shorts increasing. So this is not a good sign. So guys are putting more and more BTC shorts. So they are preparing for a long squeeze. Yes, CorionX did a nice rally yesterday. So we don't know what's happened. There was not there wasn't any announcements out there, so maybe just somebody started to trade, but good to see that. Hope when announcement will come, they will come back. So DOT is still consolidating, but for now at a higher levels, about 40. And as we will get some news about Parachain launch, I would be definitely bullish on DOT and as well on ADA. So I think ADA went down to low levels and now also consolidating. And as we get the first news about the Cardano ecosystem, I think definitely we can see some nice rally. Ethereum is holding strongly and consolidating. Let's check our charts. So Ethereum broke down from our rising channel, but this is not wrong. Just came down to 66 Fibonacci retracement level, but not touched hasn't touched the 61.8 Fibonacci extension levels. Okay, let's check Matic. Matic bounced on is coming back above our resistance zone. If so, then the next is 1.88. And what else do we have? Alien words bounced really nicely. And yes, DYDX. Oh, DYDX. Oh, DYDX will provide a good trade. So DYDX is just coming down. All the Fibonacci retracement levels are also coming down. So this is why you don't have to FOMO in if a new project is coming out and there is a huge rally. You see it's coming down, and you can accumulate DYDX here if you like the project. But definitely a good project out there. Sand made a new all-time high, broke out nicely after a short period of consolidation, and did this nice rally. And next targets at 4.6 US dollar. Cardano also broke up, so this is something that good to see. Cardano broke up again, so it's hard to catch up. I want to buy some Cardano, but it's really hard to catch up because every time I see just it already broke up. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Let's check our farms. We have some insane gains going on, but maybe we will just adjust it tomorrow. But for now, 740 and 850 APRs on the farm. So definitely, if you have some CorionX on Binance Smart Chain, come and stake in these pools, because you can earn a nice without any deposit fee. I don't recommend to use the BNB BUSD LP because the deposit fee is 47%. So this is for just testing something. Use these two farms here. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Please write in the comment section what is your favorite price for Bitcoin at the end of the year. Do you expect that it will above 100,000 or below 100,000? So what is your price prediction and why? And also just tell me in which farm you like your CorionX just farming. So please smash the like, push the bell, notification on, and see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.